Okay, so here we go. Fan, graphic card, floppy drive. Go down here, hard drive, DVD drive, the power supply. Let's have a better look. All this good stuff right here. The power cable, make sure all the power is connected. Here's the power, which I unscrewed from the main board. Bismillah. I had two RAM sticks right here, 1 GB, CPU, graphics card, whatchamacallit. A regular fan is just sitting there. I don't suggest putting it on the motherboard, but alhamdulillah. And over here, all the connections. You got the Ethernet cable, got the audio, USB cables, and the keyboard. One of the USB cables is for the mouse. Over here, you got a couple of VGA connections, which we will not be using. SATA cables, yeah. So anyways, let's turn it on and see if it works. Bismillah. Oh yeah, the power. Right here. There we go. See that small LED? Inshallah. Anyways, everything's working. CPU fan started working. Fans are working. There's another fan over there that started working. I don't want to put my hand too close because you know what will happen. Anyways, see? There we go. Everything is turning on. Alhamdulillah. Now over here it asks me to start Windows normally, and you guys know what's up. Now for the next video I will be showing you guys how to install a Windows operating system on a new computer on a formatted hard drive. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.